Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two of the most powerful desktop processors available today, the AMD Ryzen 979500X and the Intel Core i9-14900Ks. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance metrics, and unique features to help you determine which CPU is the right choice for your gaming and professional needs. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, both the AMD Ryzen 979500X and Intel Core i9-14900K excel in their own right. The Ryzen 9 boasts a high core count of 16 cores and 32 threads, making it ideal for multitasking and demanding applications. On the other hand, the i9-14900K features a unique hybrid architecture with 24 cores, combining 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores, which optimizes performance for gaming and productivity. This architectural difference allows the Intel processor to deliver exceptional performance in gaming scenarios, while the Ryzen shines in content creation tasks. Price is always a critical factor when choosing a CPU. The AMD Ryzen 979500X is priced at $699, which positions it as a premium option. In contrast, the Intel Core i9-14900K comes in at a slightly lower price of $649, making it a more budget-friendly choice for those looking for high performance without breaking the bank. This price difference could influence your decision, especially if you're looking to build a powerful system on a budget. Power consumption is another crucial aspect to consider. The AMD Ryzen 979500X has a thermal design power (TDP) of 170 W, which is relatively efficient for its performance capabilities. In contrast, the Intel Core i9-14900K has a higher TDP of 250 W, which means it may require more robust cooling solutions and could lead to higher electricity costs over time. If you're building a system with power efficiency in mind, this is an important factor to consider. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 979500X and Intel Core i9-14900K are exceptional processors that cater to different needs. The Ryzen offers high core counts and efficiency, while the Intel shines in gaming performance with its hybrid architecture. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific use case and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.